Here we go!
Welcome to the vlog.
No, I know exactly the place you're talking about. And I was like, right, yeah, it's like just up the way. She goes, it's like McDonald's. I'm like, no, it's not. And I'm like, it's McDonald's something. And Thomas is looking at me just smirking. I'm like, it's Mick. She's like, is it that bar? And I'm like, no, they don't serve alcohol there. It's a family friendly McDonald's. And she goes, oh my.
It's a video.
Ready for the race!
2 blocks.
Guys, we're on camera.
Got some opinions. And we're gonna be spilling them on the interweb.
Give us the tea.
No tea. Only got black coffee.
What is it?
I don't know. Let me think. Gosh, so much pressure.
The camera's on.
There's no pressure, dude. No pressure. Just let the imagination fly like a bird.
So we'll find the start. Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Was that you right next to me? Wait. Because I passed you earlier. Oh yeah, I was sprinting a little.
Серйозно! 10, 9, 8, 7,